The vertices are A, B and C. Let the vertices BC equal to small a equal to 6 centimeters, AC equal to small b equal to 11 centimeters, AB equal to small c equal to 15 centimeters. So, by using Heron's formula, area of the triangle going to be under root s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. So, first we should find out s value. S equal to a plus b plus c by 2. That is 6 plus 11 plus 15 by 2. 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 5 12, 1 is the remainder, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 32 whole divided by 2. Second table goes in 32 one time and 6 times. It gives 16. Now, area of the triangle ABC equal to under root s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Now substitute the values here. Under root s is 16. 16 minus a going to be 6. 16 minus b going to be 11. S minus c. 16 minus c going to be 15. That equal to under root 16 as it is. 16 minus 6 gives 10. 16 minus 11 gives 5 into 16 minus 15 gives 1. Now we should find out square root here. So if you find out any square root, suppose square root of 25. So you try to write this numerical in like terms of same digit. So that is 5 into 5. Then 5 into 5 going to be 5 square under root. So 5 square root is nothing. If you release the square root, we get whole power 1 by 2. By exponent loss, this can be written as 5 whole power 2 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. Then finally we get 5. So if you find out any square root of the number, if you try to write that number of 2 same digit numbers, then we can write one same number on the outside of the square root, that is 5. So now I would like to write these numbers in terms of like numericals. So 16 we are having square root, so write down as it is, into the 10 can be converted into 5 into 2, because here we have 5. That's why 5 into 2 into 5 into 1. Now square root of 16 going to be 4. Here 5 and 5 is there. So you should bring out 1 5 to outside of the root, that is 5. And what is the remainders? 2 into 1, it's going to be root 2. Now the final answer 4 5s are 20 root 2. So this is our required area. Area of triangle ABC is 20 root 2. So what is the units of area? Square units. So that's why here units is centimeter square units. That's why centimeter square. Please have a look.